dia kejingwai naga Saint Rose Choir Umpling. Kageteng trong kene kejingwai kadai to ken hoi kiu. Latho pat penbiang dai ba Sylvester Mukim. Kene kejingwai ka khot pat wer ya barok banyak men yerisa ha kene kasni trong keburung ha ba uglei uji di Bishop Bernard Lalu kung auxiliary bishop trong Shillong Archdiocese. Limbaga kan hoi baga jingit tay kasing galakra arengkat kedui tara baga sur benala di pengkraw yang kasni kabalasyon mohor daw glehi kabansak hagat kanatang jong kabalang pateng lapateng. Yang ikintir baga sur trong ring chiruai bapenchong tik hagat singleti baga masti ibalong iskit ibapenkemen bapenki dodur ha pelempung lekmen leksmohan.
Now we are going to have the song on the theme Tukun Hoi Kiu. It is written and composed by Sylvester Mukim. This song is a call for celebration on this day of joy and festivity as we honor the occasion where God has chosen Most Reverend Bernard Lalu to be the auxiliary bishop of Shillong Archdiocese. Through the rhythmic beats of the drum, the resonance of the natra, the melodies of the duitara, and the pure voices of the singers, we magnified this special day, a day imprinted with God's seals, distinct to be remembered in the history of the Church for generations to come. The lyrics and melody of this song are harmoniously woven into the sing-lenti and kamaste, which are vibrant and heart-stirring performances that bring joy and excitement to the celebration. Music has a special way of lifting our spirits and bringing us closer to God. We now present Katun Hoi Yero, a soulful choral performance by Saint